Basically, I come from the government background. I'm a bureaucrat. And why I chose this program? Well, to start with, let me tell you that for the first 5-6 years of my career, I was posted at an executive posting, where my job was basically execution of the policies that have been made. And it was in the past 1 year that I moved to the ministry, and I realized that my job is more of core policy making now. And I actually wanted to learn that, because once you get into the job, you kind of don't get the time to stop and take a step back and really look deep into what you're doing. And so that is when I actually decided to pursue public policy. And I think everyone knows that ISB is the biggest name in the country, but somehow I used to think it is the biggest only for the PGP program, the management program per se. But then I got some feedbacks and some reviews from some of the officers who had done this course earlier. And now, having studied here myself, I can say for sure that this is one of the best institutes to pursue this course, because for a multitude of reasons. We have professors coming from all across, not just India, but we had a professor from Emory the other day, and some wonderful professors who are giving us insights from their real-world experiences as well as their academic backgrounds. And we also get a very good peer-to-peer learning here. It is not just bureaucrats coming from across different ministries and different states, but people from the not-for-profit sector, people who are from the business background completely, people coming from the startup ecosystem. We get to know that what are the problems they are actually facing. So now when I have to sit and frame a policy, I would have some of this perspective in my mind. I have learned over here how policies should be based on evidence, and not everything should happen in an ad hoc manner and in a firefighting mode. And somehow we end up doing that. So this program gives you an opportunity to take a step back, to think how we are doing things, and then to rethink a little more, and then take a more informed decision while doing. I'm not saying everything's going to be perfect even then, but at least we will know that, okay, I have a certain bias. I might try to correct that bias, because this is what this program teaches you. It teaches you how to be better at taking decisions. It teaches you how you need to be informed of your own fallacies and what you can do to better that. So yes, I would recommend this program totally to all the bureaucrats, and also I would say to all the private people as well, because this is the great, peer-to-peer learning platform that ISB has provided us.